I don't even like condos.
But this one, I'll make an exception.
Check out this fully renovated 1-bedroom, 1.5-bath condo here in Miami Beach. And it's got one of the best views in the building. Brand new impact sliding doors open up to full ocean views. And yes, it really does look like this every morning. The interior was redesigned with a clean, modern finish, recessed lighting, updated appliances, and an open layout that actually feels spacious. You got a full guest bath, a renovated primary bath, and one of the rarest features in Miami Beach, 1-bedroom, in-unit washer and dryer. This building is full service. That means pool deck, sauna, gym, 24-hour security, valet, and even marina access if you need it. What really makes this spot different is the location. Your steps from the beach, right next to Publix, across from cafes and restaurants, and within walking distance of the Carolyn Wellness Club. If you're looking for space, style, and real Miami Beach living, this one's worth seeing. This is what Miami's supposed to feel like.